Hello my friends, welcome to this video in which we explain how to become a real hacker. We started with the definition about what's hacking. Next, talk which operating system hacker needs. We must learn also how to think like a machine. Take some basics about networking, how the internet works. Also, we must have problem solving with the machine way work. Finally, I will give you 5 paths to choose cybersecurity. Let's move on. What is hacking? Hacking generally related to malicious acts, but that's not all the time. There is ethical hacking. There is no ethical hacking. It depends on how the hacker see the things. Who is hackers? There is multiple definitions on who is hacker. If someone says scammer hackers, others said black hackers, white hackers, grey hackers. Each one has their own definition. For me, there is a script kiddies, a hacker, and elite hacker. Script kiddies, someone with no knowledge. It's just kind of people. See some YouTube video, repeat them, some tools, and that's all. A hacker, it's someone who has more knowledge, but script kiddies have a better knowledge and more scalable than script kiddies. And elite hackers, it's someone who can get exploit, find vulnerabilities, someone who make tools, script kiddies and hacker use what the elite hackers share with them. Let's talk now about operating system that the hacker uses. First question, is Windows is bad for hacking? No, not at all. You can do hacking with Windows, no problem. It depends in which type of hacking you do. But generally, Linux, it's better. It's better for hacking. It's more useful. Linux, it contains multiple tools that the hacker uses, like Burp Suite, Metasploit, Payload Generator, Wireshark, and more. More tools that usually hacker use. As a hacker, you should learn Linux, use it, be familiar with it. It's better. Next, you can move to Kali Linux. What is thinking like a machine it is? You can simplify it as 3 things. Now the machine, it's binary language. First thing you must know is the machine uses the binary language. The machine knows only 1 and 0. So at least you must learn how the addition in the binary way works, the subtraction, the multiplication, the division, the basis operation in the binary system. Also, you must know what inside the computer: CPU, graphical processing unit, random access memory, hard drive, how they communicate between them, how the memory share information with CPU, how the CPU do the calculation, and more. After that, you must know the programming. How to talk to the machine, that's it, programming. You must learn it. I prefer for a hacker to start with C++. C++ help you to be more familiar with machine thinking, working in 2 parts. First part, before the information go outside of your device, on the device or your laptop PC. You must know about OSI model or TCP/IP model, the layer that use 7 layers: application, presentation, session. Each layer which protocol use, how layers communicate between them, and all details about that. Next part It's after the information closes your device. You must know how the internet works, routing system, internet protocol, DNS system, what is internet, what's the server, what's the web application, how the information communicates, what's paper transfer protocol, all the details, how the information flow over the internet or over your local area network. Problem solving. Problem solving, you can summarize it as you think out of the box and the attentions to details. Choose your path. It can be a cybersecurity in all domains, must choose even hardware exploitation, operating system exploitation, or network exploitation, or web or software. For hardware exploitation, I will give you an example to understand why. Hardware exploitation, it's about radio frequency, hacking cars, hacking RF, or learning about software-defined radio, and more. Operating system exploitation, it's for hacking operating system, finding vulnerability in operating system, virtualization, how to find a vulnerability in an operating system. Network exploitation, it's about finding vulnerability in protocols, in Wi-Fi. Web exploitation, it's find vulnerability in web applications. This is the most used part in cybersecurity because the 90% of the application in the internet, it's web applications. Just learn how to exploit the website, even business logic, activities, SQL injection, file inclusion, path traversal, more vulnerability in web application. Final parts is software exploitation or binary exploitation. It's kind of hacking desktop software. For OS exploitation, from the Hacker's Guide to OS X. It's for Windows or Linux. For Android, you can hear Android Hacker's Handbook. As we see, network exploitation, you learn attacking network protocol. Software exploitation, you can learn hacking, the art of exploitation, even second edition or the first one. The hardware hacking handbook is for hardware exploitation. And finally, for web application, you can learn Hacker Handbook, second or first edition. Thanks for watching the video. Please help me to get my first 1,000 followers with subscribing, sharing the video. If you have any question, just tell me in the comments or send a message. I'm here for helping you.